Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your new digital smartwatch within a couple of minutes and get it ready and synced up to your phone. Okay, we can go ahead and grab the watch face. Make sure the button is facing to the right hand side. Turn the watch over. Then you're going to go ahead and grab the long strap. As you can see the size difference. You're going to go ahead and turn this around as well. You'll notice that there is a metal lever here that you can push backwards and forwards, and it can retract the metal pin. Hope you can see that. Okay. So let's grab this lever and let's push it all the way down as it is now. And let's go and find the hole inside of this piece of the watch, and we'll insert the small part of the lever. So we've got it in here. We can go ahead and align the other side with the hole. And then you're merely going to let go of the lever. It'll click straight into place. Push the lever down. And there we go. One watch strap perfectly installed. Okay, now to install the last watch piece, turn the watch around again. Grab the other watch piece. We'll do the same thing as before. We'll identify the lever, push the lever down. Basically, it pushes this metal bar all the way down. We'll go ahead and align this with the hole in the watch. We'll push it in. And then we'll align it with the hole on the other side. Let go. And move it around a little bit so that it can click into place. There we go. I'll push this part down. And there we go. The watch is now perfectly set up. Once you've set up the straps on the watch, I want you to go ahead and give your watch a full charge. Make sure that the watch is properly clipped in to its charger base. You want to align those two metal dots with the two metal dots on the charger. Simply go ahead and click the watch in. You can see the watch will be sitting nicely in its charger. This you can go ahead and plug into any one of your phone chargers or a socket or anything, and make sure that the watch is fully charged before using. As you can see here, the watch is charging, and once the watch has gone ahead and fully charged, I want you to remove it from the charger. Once your watch is set up, I want you to go ahead and download the Fire app on your phone. I'll leave a link in the description so you can download it, and I'll put a QR code on screen that you can scan as well. Once the app is downloaded, I want you to go ahead and open it. Hereafter, I already have an account. It may ask you to create one, so just fill in your personal details and then you'll be right in. Then you're going to navigate to the General Health tab on your phone. From here, press the button in the top right hand corner of the screen that looks like a watch. As you can see here, our phone has detected our smartwatch. So let's go ahead and click it. Thereafter, you're going to navigate to the bottom right hand corner and press Me. And then you're going to press Device Settings. Here there's a couple of changes that we need to go make, depending on what features you want to use the watch for. First of all, we can go ahead and we can turn on the 24-hour system. We can make sure that vibration is on. You can change your language settings just under this. The wearing method, which hand you're going to wear it on. Then you want to go ahead and press Synchronize System Time. This is just going to update the watch's time. Then if we go up, Message Notifications. So here you go, you can go ahead and press All On, and then press Confirm. This is going to allow messages from your phone to show up on your watch. Then we can go to the alarm reminders. And here you would add your good morning alarm, any other alarms that you have. If you want to be able to place calls on the watch, you need to navigate down to the phone book. Here, it'll ask you to search for contacts, but you need to import the contact first. You're going to go to the top right hand corner and press the little man with the pencil. Thereafter, you can press Import. Click any one of the contacts that you'd like to add. Then go to the top right hand corner and press Save. And there you go. We can see you've now added the contact to your watch. If you want to be able to update the watch's software, scroll all the way down to the bottom and press OTA Upgrade. And then press Upgrade on screen. As you can see, my current version is already up to date. If you ever lost your watch and you need to find it from your phone, you can go ahead and use the Find My Watch function. And that is pretty much all the settings that you'll need to know about using the watch. The watch works perfectly well on an iPhone, Android, doesn't matter. And those are all the settings that you'll need to know when using the smartwatch. I hope you enjoy it. Cheers, subscribe, and leave a like, and see you in the next one.